はい、こんにちは。The Japanese 101 Particle Review is a series of videos, and this is the fourth one. In this video, we review the particles we used in the direction ni verb pattern. Let's review the wa, ni, de, ka, no, and mo particle. Shiro goes to Japan. Shiro-san wa Nihon ni ikimasu. シロさんは日本に行きます。Motion verbs like go, come, and return can have a goal or destination that things move toward, and we mark the destination word with the ni particle. In this case, Shiro goes to Japan, so Nihon is marked with the ni particle. Shiro, will you also come to my house? シロさんもうちに来ますか？シロさんもうちに来ますか？ Notice that we use the mo particle instead of wa to add the meaning of to or also. Shiro goes to a hot spring in Japan. シロさんは日本で温泉に行きます。シロさんは日本で温泉に行きます。Notice that we have two place words in this sentence, hot spring and Japan. Hot spring is marked with ni, so she goes to a hot spring. Japan is marked with de, so her going to a hot spring action takes place in Japan. Shiro returns to her house at 1 o'clock. シロさんは1時に家に帰ります。シロさんは1時に家に帰ります。Notice that we use ni particle twice in this sentence. The first ni is put after a time word, and it marks the time at which the action takes place. In this case, the time when Shiro returns to her house. The second ni is put after a place word, and it marks the place where Shiro returns to. Shiro goes to work on Friday. シロさんは金曜日に仕事に行きます。シロさんは金曜日に仕事に行きます。Again, the first ni is to mark the time at which Shiro's action takes place, and the second ni is to mark the destination where Shiro moves to. Shiro goes to work on Saturday too. シロさんは土曜日にも仕事に行きます。シロさんは土曜日にも仕事に行きます。Shiro goes to work on Friday and she also goes to work on Saturday. So we add the mo particle. Remember that ni is used together with mo. Shiro goes to a bookstore today. シロさんは今日本屋に行きます。シロさんは今日本屋に行きます。Remember, we never use the particle ni with time expressions like today, tomorrow, and yesterday. Today, Shiro goes to a supermarket too. シロさんは今日スーパーにも行きます。シロさんは今日スーパーにも行きます。Shiro goes to a bookstore today, and she also goes to a supermarket today. So we add the mo particle. Again, remember that ni is used together with mo. Here's a quick bonus lesson for another function of de. Shiro goes to Tokyo by car. シロさんは車で東京に行きます。シロさんは車で東京に行きます。When you put the de particle after a tool or a transportation method, It means that you do the action using the tool or method. So, 車で東京に行きます means you go to Tokyo by car. One more example. Shiro goes to Tokyo by bus. シロさんはバスで東京に行きます。シロさんはバスで東京に行きます。Again, バスで means by bus or using bus. Today we reviewed the particles we can use for the direction ni verb pattern. Please leave a comment if you have any questions. ありがとうございます。